Good morning, children. How are you all? Hope you all might be fine and safe in your home and studying very nicely for your test. So, today, children, in grammar, we are going to start a new chapter, that is conjunctions. We will know about conjunctions today. So, children, you might have heard about the words or, and, because, but, yet, so, for, etc. So, have you ever wondered which type of words they are? What are they called? So, they are called conjunctions. Now, let us know what are conjunctions. So, a conjunction, it connects words or group of words or short sentences, or you may call it that the conjunctions are the connecting words or the joining words. Like suppose any two pieces you want to join, okay? If your scale has broken and you want to join those part of the scale, then what do we use? There you will use glue. So glue is used as to join those two pieces. In the same way, this conjunction, it is used to join words, group of words or short sentences together. Now let us see. The words and, but, or, because, and if are conjunctions or connecting words. They may also be called as the joining words because they join the words, group of words, sentences together. Let us see. We use and to combine similar ideas or to add information. So when we have anything similar, then we use and over there. When any information is to be added in a sentence, there we use and. Let us see with example. Like see here, my brother wants to be a writer and a scientist. So here the ideas are similar, that my brother, he wants to be a writer, and here you can say my brother wants to be a scientist. That means he wants to become a writer also, he wants to become a scientist also. So there we will join these two sentences together, and there we can write over there that my brother wants to be a writer and a scientist. So instead of writing a big sentence, okay, we have made it short by joining those writer and scientist together. Now see with another example. Here we have added information like this Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. So here this is added information now. See, this Friday is a holiday. There is another sentence, I would like to go to the fair. So there we will join these two sentences, okay, by adding and. As this Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. There we have got one more information that I would like to go to the fair. This Friday is a holiday and I would like to go to the fair. So that I would like to go to the fair, it is an added information in that sentence, and we have joined it by adding and. Now we are going to know about the other conjunction, that is but. So when to use but? We use but to show a difference or an opposite idea. So when we have two opposite ideas or differences, then we join those sentences or the words by but. Okay, by using but. Like see, Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. Here you see that plays well and impatient player, they are opposite ideas. Like see, there is a boy whose name is Rohan. He plays well. But what happens? There, instead of having patience, you know that a player characteristic is that he should be patient, okay? That means he should have patience in him. But what happens? Rohan is a good player. He plays well. But at that time, he does not have patience. So he is an impatient player. So here we join these two sentences. Rohan plays well. He is an impatient player. We join this two sentences with but because they don't match together. So Rohan plays well, but he is an impatient player. Now I want to go to play, but I am sick. Here you can see a boy. He wants to go to play, but he is sick, so he is not able to go to play. So here also you see that there is difference. That wants to go to play. He is sick, so he is not able to go to play. So there we join these two sentences by using but. I want to go to play, but I am sick. I am not able to go to play. Now we use because to explain the cause or reason of something. So when to use because conjunction? When we have any reason or the cause of something, then there we use because. Like see, Nishi was happy. Why she was happy? Because she won the painting contest. So Nishi is having reason to be happy. Why? Because she has won the painting contest. So she is happy. So Nishi was happy because she won the painting contest. So we use or to show a choice between two or more options. So or is also a conjunction. So when do we use it? To show a choice. When there is choice between two or more options, then we use or. What would you prefer? An ice cream or a chocolate? So their option has been given, choice has been given. That what would you prefer? What you like to eat? Whether an ice cream or a chocolate. So or is telling the option or giving the choice that you want ice cream or you want chocolate. So choice is given. Now let us see sentences without conjunction and with conjunction. So Tom is a handsome cat. He has long whiskers. He has white paws. He has a friend. So here which sentences I am reading, those are without conjunctions. His friend's name is Jerry. He spends his time chasing Jerry. Then he spends his time listening to his master. He only chases Jerry. Jerry always puts him in trouble. Tom and Jerry are best friends. So you have seen this story of this cartoon of Tom and Jerry. Tom is a cat and Jerry is a mouse. So now let us see. Tom is with the conjunction. These sentences are with conjunctions. So Tom is a cat. Okay. So sorry. Tom is a handsome cat. Then he has long whiskers and white paws. Now children, here we have joined the two sentences. You see, he has long whiskers. He has white paws. There, long whiskers and white paws have been added together because they have the same ideas. Okay, so he has long whiskers and white paws. Then he has a friend. His friend's name is Jerry. So he has a friend and his name is Jerry. There we have got added information about his friend. He spends his time chasing Jerry. He spends his time listening to his master. Now see, he spends his time chasing Jerry or listening to his master. So what happens? He is this Tom. He has option over there that most of the time what he does, he spends his time chasing Jerry or listening to his master. What master is saying, he spends his time like that. Then he only chases Jerry. Jerry always puts him in trouble. So now see, he only chases Jerry because what happens? Jerry always puts him in trouble. You might have seen that cartoon of Tom and Jerry. Jerry always puts Tom in trouble, so he chases him. So here reason has been given that why Tom chases Jerry, because Jerry always puts him in trouble. But they are best friend. But they are best friend means but Tom and Jerry are best friend. So here but we have used over there. To join this sentences, there is a reason that they are best friends. Okay. So thank you children. Revise the chapter very nicely. If you don't understand, just see the video again. Okay.